Alright guys, I'm going to be refinishing this 50s or 60s OTIS black button call station. As you can see, the metal is very worn and stained. So I'm going to be using Brasso and Barkeeper's Friend to hopefully bring it back to its original condition. But before I do that, I'm going to start by disassembling it, taking all the components off so that we're just left with the plate. Alright, so there's the buttons, and here's the contacts. You can see that it's the older version of the black button. I'm still debating whether I want to keep these wires, because these are original wires, the old like thick ones, but they're kind of getting in the way of the buttons pushing, so I don't know, I might keep a few of them. But anyway, here's the plate. These little brackets that hold the buttons in, they do come out, but I'm not sure I'll be able to put them back in without damaging it, but I should be able to clean around them. So we are going to get started. So as you can see, that's what that looks like just a little bit after brushing. Look at the difference. This is gonna look really nice when I'm done. Alright, there it is all put back together. I decided to only keep 2 wires, but yeah, this was a fun project. It looks a lot nicer than it used to. I'll be putting some before and after pictures in the video right now. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That'll be it.